Hello and welcome. In this video, we will write Perl script to develop a simple web scraper tool. We have already seen web scraping in previous session, but in this one we will just see how we can use the Perl script from complete complete Perl script and try to fetch the data from the perl.org. Here we need to install user agent and tree builder that we have already seen. Now we can create user agent and then we'll pass here URL inside get method to fetch the content. Now all the content available in response, we can just check if everything is success. If yes, then we will decode it, and here we are decoding, and after that we have to use tree builder to parse it. Now after parsing, we need to extract main headlines from the Perl org. Usually it is available in H2 elements. So we can just print latest news from the Perl and we can set look down H2 and get the tag, and then here we can print as text. Now extract links from the home page, and then after that we are saying delete, and if any error then print that line. So let's run here. I'll say Perl and then space webscraper.pl. Let's see what output we get here. So we can see all the links are available, as well as we can also see the latest link, latest news, and news saying that's why we love Perl. And here all the links are available in that Perl. So this is how you can utilize Perl script to either create log parser tool or email notification tool or web scraping. And in the next video we will see that how we can do end-to-end data processing using Perl. We will use CSV file and try to create a script. We can read that CSV file data and then we'll generate some JSON output. Thank you so much for watching this video.